Hello all, how are you? What's going on? Hi, this is Samisha, and today we are going to discuss on how to find out your niche. So, what is niche? Let's discuss on niche. The niche is specialization. Currently, in every business, we are seeing that specialization. So, we also going to choose a niche which is specialized in our field, like in the IT field, as we discuss. So, we find out which niche we can choose. Did you remember? We discuss and find out a good niche like. The interview preparation, the certification preparation, those kind of niche. So that is the high, so that is the high income niche which is currently ongoing. So let's discuss on niche. So micro niche is a specialized and narrow segment within a broader industry or topic. So industry means IT industry we can say. So in that industry we can find out our topic, a particular micro niche. So it's a fine tuning of our focus to cater to very specific audience. So if I'm selecting interview preparation, but whom the who is the audience for me for the interview preparation? So for example, if I'm choosing Scrum Master, so I'm going to run the Mac. So I'm going to run the micro niche for interview preparation for the Scrum Master. Okay, so this is the example which I have given you. Okay, so we will target a specific audience with a particular interest or needs. Okay, so needs is an interview, a job, right? That was the need. Okay, so what is product curation? What product to sell? So if you find out the answers for below three questions, you will win. Okay, so let's see what are those questions. So first question is related to what problem can I solve for others in IT field. So if I am selecting interview preparation for Scrum Master, so which problem I am going to solve? So I'm going to solve the job interview issues, problems, selection process, resume building process for the particular Scrum Master position role. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, then the second question you can ask like what problems I have solved for myself that I can solve for others. If I'm going to solve that problem, then what is my gain? Of course, I earn the money. Of course, I shared my knowledge. Of course, I have used that knowledge, right? So after that, using that knowledge for a proper chain, proper structure, I gain the money, right? So I can solve my problems with that money, right? So you can think like this, okay? So the third question is what problems do I deeply care for and I don't want others to face? So if I solve those issues of resume building, of the interview preparation, then I can deeply care of those selection process, right? So that the person who is taking the service from me, he will get the job as soon as possible, right? His resume get selected from the companies, right? So I got my three questions answers. So, like that, just focus on these three questions. If you get the answers, yes, you can choose the niche. Okay, then how you finalize your product? So, the four-step product niche formula is here. I have, so let's finalize your product niche. Okay, So, as per my experience, I have gathered some information and I have created some 4 steps for you as a formula. If you get it, you find out it's valuable and it's helpful, then you can choose this 4 step from my formula. Okay, I have also mentioned my blog. You can go through the blog also. Many things I have introduced there, so you can take the help of that and you can choose your niche from that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what are those 4 step formula. Okay, the first step is pick up your IT segment. Okay, so I have given one example like development. Okay, the support you can choose. Okay, the infrastructure, IT infrastructure you can choose. You can choose the cloud. Okay, so that example type. Okay, so first step is just choose your IT segment, pick up. Okay, then the second step, you need to find out your sub segment. Means I have given the example like in the development, I have chosen a Scrum Agile framework. It's my sub segment. Okay, then third step is pick your subject. In this subject, you can choose a Scrum Master. Why? If you are going through the first step, development. In development, so many backgrounds, so many um, in the development, you will get a vast fields like the programming, the development, the managers, the scrum master, the agile frameworks, the product owners, business analyst, and those very various fields you can see. Okay, from the development, I have picked up my sub segment as in the step 2 as a scrum agile framework. Okay, and from that Scrum in Agile framework as well, there are many fields, many roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, DevOps person, programmers. So many people are there. So in the step 3, I have picked up my subject that is Scrum Master. Okay, and after that Scrum Master, I have picked my specific side that is in the step 4, that is interview preparation and resume building for Scrum Master. So I have chosen my niche as interview preparation and resume building from Scrum for Scrum Master role. Okay, this is my niche, which I have found out. Okay, for me. So are you ready to choose your specific field niche? Okay, so here I have given some specialization fields in which are currently emerging in the IT fields. Okay, so in the first step you can see I had given you the development. I had chosen that development field. So other than development, there are so many support, monitoring, operation, operating system, operations, database admin, automation, AI, data analysis, cloud storage, agile framework, programming language, etc., etc., etc. Those are some example I have given you. So these examples are related to step 1. So from that step 1, you need to choose your sub field. Okay, for the step 2, and after that sub field, just choose one role for sub for step 3, and after step 3, just choose your focus in step 4. What service you want to give, that is in the step 4. So this is related to niche. So are you ready to find out your niche? Just give comments with your niche so that I can get the idea which niche you have found out, and I can give you some advice and guidance if those are okay to choose as a niche for to start up your entrepreneurship. Okay, so don't forget to put the comments and like, subscribe. my channel. Okay, thank you.